bring bigger bass impact with the Jeep JL Tailgate Subwoofer System. The MB Quart JL 302 Jeep JL Tailgate Subwoofer System is purposely engineered for Jeep Wrangler JL 2018 to current model year. This JL subwoofer features a massive 12 inches of bass with an application-specific long-throw high-output design, wired at 2 ohm. Your Jeep-tuned audio on every spring adventure will never be the same with the Jeep JL Tailgate Subwoofer System. Here's a list of tools needed for this install. Now, let's get into it. Remove 4 T20 Torx screws holding the subwoofer in the enclosure. Then disconnect the wiring from the subwoofer. Install 4 7mm rubber plugs into the inside of the enclosure. Install the white gasket material into the channel of the grille. Disconnect negative battery terminal of the vehicle. If trail rail equipped, remove 3 T40 screws and remove rail. If trail rail ready like in this scenario, use panel tool to unclip cover and remove. Using a panel tool, carefully unclip the tailgate panel and remove. With the tailgate panel lying face down, drill 2 9/16 holes at the dimples at the bottom of the panel. Install the tailgate panel back into the vehicle by snapping into location. Install 2 L brackets, 45mm spacers, and M6 by 60mm flathead screws in the bottom 2 holes of the tailgate panel and secure in place. Bring the subwoofer enclosure to the vehicle. Loosely install 2 M6 by 16mm Torx screws. Loosely install 2 more M6 by 16mm Torx screws. Tighten down the 2 M6 Torx screws on the bottom of the enclosure with the T40 Torx driver. Then, tighten down the other 2 M6 Torx screws. Connect the red wire to the positive terminal and the black wire to the negative terminal of the subwoofer. Install the subwoofer with 8 ST4.2 by 19mm screws using a T20 Torx. Install the subwoofer grille to the enclosure with 6 ST4.2 by 19mm screws using a T20 Torx. Secure subwoofer enclosure wiring along vehicle tailgate wiring using zip ties. Then connect the extension harness and continue to amplifier location and make proper connections. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal of the vehicle. That wraps up this installation. If you're interested in this or any other MB Quart product, visit mbquart.com. Thanks for watching.